Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X5 door with its key. To begin, simply press the large unlock button on your key fob. This action will unlock all the doors and often the trunk. If you hold the unlock button down for a few seconds, your windows and sunroof will also open, which is handy on a warm day. To lock the car, just press the lock button once. Sometimes your key fob battery might be low, or you just prefer manual entry. To access the mechanical key, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the hidden metal key. This physical key is your backup for gaining entry when electronic methods aren't available or preferred. If your key fob isn't working, you'll need to use the mechanical key. On the driver's door handle, look for a small cap, often on the end of the handle. Gently pry this cap off using the tip of your mechanical key. Once removed, you'll reveal the traditional keyhole. Insert your mechanical key and turn it clockwise to unlock the door manually. After manually entering your BMW X5, you might wonder how to start it without a working key fob battery. Simply place your key fob directly against the steering column, usually near the ignition button. This allows the car to detect the key's internal chip. With the key in this position, press the start/stop button as you normally would to ignite the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.